What the?
Okay, that was weird.
Confusion?
Disillusionment?
Is it an actual train or another ghost train? Actual train? Question mark? Or is this another ghost train? Wait. Where's the train? What? 2 ghost trains in one night?